Before beginning the questions for Chapter 18 of The Giver by Lois Lowry, please be sure that you are writing complete sentences. Failure to do so will result in a loss of credit. The first question for Chapter 18 is question 9. It says, why do you think the giver will tell Jonas he loves him when Jonas's own parents won't say it? Notice I have highlighted the words, why do you think, because I'm looking for your opinion on the matter. Question 10 says, what do you think of Jonas's reaction to the story about Rosemary, and why? This is another question where I'm asking for your reaction or your thoughts on something that's happening in the text. I'd also like you to explain why you think what you do. If you're having trouble finding Jonas's reaction to the story about Rosemary, he reacts on pages 142 and 143 of the digital book. Question 11 asks, what do you think the giver is thinking about at the end of the chapter when it says, his thoughts seemed to be elsewhere and his eyes were very troubled? So based on the content of the entire chapter and what you've learned about the giver, what do you think it is that he's thinking about at this point in the story? There are two vocabulary words for chapter 18. The words are dejected and luminous. First, be sure to record the sentence from the text. Then, predict what you believe the word means based on the context of that sentence. And then, write down the definition that you have found using wordcentral.com. Notice that the word dejected has an ed at the end, showing that it has a suffix. You might want to look up just deject to see if that gives you a better definition.